Hi guys, this is Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on a Greenstar 28R18. So this is a system boiler, and what the situation is in this boiler is that the customer is saying they can't turn off the heating, it's just running all the time. Now I'll give you a bit of clues on this system, so I'm not going to just show you the boiler and that's what the fault is like I normally do. So I'm going to give you a bit more help on this particular video. So I'm going to show you a bit of controls what's on the system. So let's have a look here. So at the side you can see some zone valves, a filling loop there, and it's got a timer programmer here. Now apparently what the original problem was is the customer saying that he's not getting no heating. Hot water's working okay but no heating. But they called somebody out to look at this boiler, and after this other engineer called and done whatever he did, the customer's now saying the heating won't turn off, it's constantly on, blazing all the time. So your question in today's video is, what do you think the fault is? Why do you think they're getting constant heating, can't turn it off, can't control it? So there's a few things what you can look at and see if you can come up with the answer. So that's going to be the end of this video on this particular fault. See what you can do. Drop me a comment on below. Incidentally, I'm going to be changing, well, having a new YouTube channel, and I'm going to put a link below this video. It's going to be Master Coach Tony Morgan is going to be the new YouTube channel, not A&R Boilers. So that's going to be a new link, so you'll be able to click on that, subscribe to that channel, or you can just subscribe to the video, what you're going to see. So that's going to be the end of this video. So as I said, if you know the answer, drop the answer below and we'll see if you got it right. So that's going to be the end of this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.